All right, first graders, in our live Zoom, we started our drawing off with a dot with a circle around it. And a lot of you guys figured out, yep, it's an eyeball. Right next to the eyeball, I got my little squiggly line, and I come looping around my eye. And I try to keep this distance kind of the same. And then when I get down here, I swoop in, swoop out, and then I rumple it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doesn't matter how many you have. I don't know why I'm counting them. And our beak comes out. If I go too fast, make sure you're working that pause button. All right, here we go. Bringing his back down. He's got some markings. It looks like he's got a banded tail. I'm gonna bring those feathers up a little higher, come through the bands. Could be cool colors right there. And then the wing is gonna come down, kind of mimic his chest or her chest. Come underneath the twig, and then feather, 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 feather. You get the point, right? The other day, I posted a lesson for my first graders about leaves and how sometimes we can see everything on the leaf, all the details. And other times, we can't see much detail at all. And still yet, we can't see any of the details of the trees on that hill. And I want you to think about that, how some leaves we can see all the detail, and then some we don't really see the details. We know those are leaves back there. And that's kind of cool. I'd love to see you color this parrot all the way in. Make your parrot leave a mark in people's minds.